Alrighty, my fellow degenerates, we have a lot to go over in this video. We're going to break down AMC, which had a pretty good day today, pretty good start to the week, up around 2% on the day. We're going to go over the charts, talk about what I'm looking to do, if I'm looking to buy, sell, do all that good stuff. So yeah, let's just dive into it. Make sure to get a little bit of your water, guys. You're going to have to stay hydrated for this video, and I guess let's just dive right into it. So AMC stock today went up 9 cents, pretty decent day, up to about, where did it close? $5.12. It went up 1.79% to be exact on the day. And you guys can see on Friday we hit a low of $4.96, and the high was right around where we were at open, actually right in the pre-market where we hit around, let me see here if I zoom in, we hit $5.10 roughly, and you guys can see we completely broke through that today, as we did see a big move from where we were at open all the way up to the intraday high today, which was $5.21. So you guys can see again, we hit 510 on Friday morning. We completely ran through that today. We hit $5.21, and we ended up pulling back into close, and notice where we closed, guys. We closed at 512, right above the highs from Friday in the morning. That's very good, guys. Very good sign overall for the bulls that A, we had a green day, B, we pulled back and we closed above that high from pre-market, and C, which is also really good, the fact that we ended up taking out the highs from the past couple of days, which I'll show you here in a second. So AMC went from 496 in the morning, and mind you guys, today in the morning we pretty much held the low from Friday as well, which was, funny enough, 496. So that is another good sign overall for the bulls. So we went from 496 up to 521. Like I said, that was a move of around 5%, which isn't that crazy, but it is a pretty decent move overall. And again, we took the highs out from Friday and we closed above the highs from Friday. And pulling up the 5-day 5-minute, you guys can see we not only took the highs out from Friday today, we took the highs out from Thursday, from Wednesday, from Tuesday actually as well, and maybe from Monday. No, not quite yet from Monday. The highs from last Monday were right around 525-ish, 520. So we did close under those highs, but moving forward, those are going to be levels that I'm watching here on AMC. If we do take out 525 in the very short term, we could be getting even more momentum to the upside. So let me actually set my alert now at 525. Mark is that we're above. And if I pull up the 20-day chart, you guys are going to see we're still under the 180 SMA, which we've been under for a little bit here for about a week or two. But with today's move, we're now above the 50 SMA. And again, we're at a multi-day high, which is a good sign, a good start, a good these are good initial signs for the bulls. Now we have to see what happens at the 180 SMA being, right around 530 here on the 20-day chart. Then if that were to break, what's going to happen in the mid-5s? That's the next level that I'm going to be looking at here on AMC. From that point, let's say we start breaking 525, 550, we could be going even higher, $6, maybe even higher. That's actually where we were. You guys probably remember back in the beginning of this month, about 3 weeks ago, a little bit less than 3 weeks ago. So you guys probably remember on the 4-hour chart, we've covered this before. If I zoom in a little bit, this is actually the yearly chart. Bear with me, guys. If I zoom in on the 4-hour chart and get the channel tool out, we are trading in this channel. We have been for the past couple of months. Now with today's move of around 2%, a little bit less than 2%, we're getting closer and closer to breaking out of these moving averages. But today we actually got, at least as of now, we're getting rejected. But with today's move, even though we had a green day, we did end up getting rejected at these moving averages on the 4-hour chart that you guys can see right here, being at about 520, 525, 530, which makes it even more important for AMC to take out that level. If we do take out that 525 level, guys, on this time frame, we can make a serious argument that AMC could start running to the top of the channel, being anywhere from, $6, $6.25, heck, maybe it goes up even more than that. So AMC's, looking pretty good to start off the week. Not bad at all, up 2%, which isn't that crazy in the grand scheme of things, but it is moving in the right direction, at least here for the bulls. So my alerts are at 525 and 550. We'll see what happens here in the next couple of days. I'll probably do another update at some point this week, so make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell. And you might as well hit that like button if you're finding value. I appreciate you guys as always. And if you haven't gotten up to 15 stocks yet for Moomoo, what the heck are you waiting for? Use that link down below or go to StasSurfS.com/Moomoo. Once you guys open up an account, you get 1 free share of stock right off the bat, and fund your account with at least $100. You get 4 more stocks totaling 5 stocks. And if you fund your account with at least $1,000, are you guys ready for this? You get 10 more stocks totaling 15 free stocks. So if you guys want some free money and you want to help out the channel, use that Moomoo link down below or simply go to StasSurfS.com/Moomoo. I appreciate you guys as always. And with that being said, let's talk a little bit about some other stocks here. And it feels like today, guys, when I'm making this video, I'm not sure when you're watching this, but right now it was the day of the meme stocks, if you will, the Wall Street bet stocks, whatever the heck you want to call them, right? AMC had a pretty decent day, all right, not the best day, but still 2% green day, a little bit less than that. Still, it's a green day, but you want to know what had an even better green day, guys? GameStop, GME. This ended up going up 10% on the day, which you guys probably remember if you caught my video from last week, which is why it's very important for you to subscribe if you have not done that already. We covered GameStop last week and talked about how if it were to break $23, which has been, well, not anymore, but it was a multi-week resistance. If we were to break out of there, I was saying last week, we could fill the gap to 24.50, which lo and behold, that's what we did today, guys, as the stock went up roughly 10%, up over $2 on the day. So we pretty much broke out of 23.12, 23.15, filled the gap to 24.50. Now my alert's at 25. If that were to break, guys, maybe GameStop starts running, high 20s, maybe 26, 27. Maybe it goes up even more than that. So GME, GameStop's looking good. AMC again, 2%, not bad. And Bed Bath & Beyond, guys, don't get me started. This thing went up over 18% on the day. Pretty good day for this stock. Of course, it's very risky. It's probably the most risky out of the bunch, I would say, out of AMC, GameStop, Bed Bath & Beyond. BBBYQ, since it is now an OTC stock, over the counter, it's not on the NASDAQ or the New York Stock Exchange. I'd say it's the most risky for that reason. But look at how it did today, guys. We saw a nice move to 21 cents, actually almost 22 cents, pulled back. We held the uptrend all day. And you guys can see on the 5-day, 5-minute, we're well above the highs from last week. Last week, we peaked at about 20 cents. We broke out of that, closed above it, which is great for the bulls. And on the 4-hour chart, or maybe the 20-day chart, you guys are going to see we have an ascending triangle. Look at that. We have higher lows being made at the same time that we have resistance at about 22, 23 cents. So I'm telling you guys, if BBBYQ breaks out of 23 cents, I believe, I don't know, call me crazy, that we could be making a move towards 27 cents, 28 cents roughly, which is where the stock was in the end of April. If that were to break, guys, maybe even higher from there, maybe even higher. So that's a rundown here on AMC stock and a couple other names. What do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Hit that like button. Feel free to subscribe. And did you guys know I have a second channel called Stas Talks Money, where we talk more about personal finance, general money topics? Go down below and make sure to subscribe, because once we hit 1,000 subs, I'll be giving away $100 to a random subscriber. So go to Stas Talks Money, make sure to subscribe, and don't forget to get up to 15 stocks from Moomoo, each up to $2,000, guys. Use that link down below or go to StasSurfS.com/Moomoo, and you might as well get 12 more stocks from Webull with any amount deposited. I believe all of those could be valued up to $30,000 combined or some crazy number. So go check out the Moomoo link, the Webull link. Feel free to check out my Patreon as well. And with that being said, guys, cheers. I'll catch you all in the next video.